All right, so back pain, leg pain, sciatic. Just kind of let us know, when is it bothering you the most?
It's all day, or also when I'm sitting.
Okay, and how long does it aggravate it right away when you're sitting?
No, it's more if I'm sitting, and then when I get up, I can feel the stretching in my leg.
Okay.
And then it takes a little bit to be able to walk decent.
Okay. And how long this has been going on?
Since February 2020.
Okay, so Sheila's got 1 degree of right laterality. She's got 3 degrees of lower angle, 1 degree of plane line. So we've got to get that centered and balanced, get it holding, and her body will start healing itself. All right, lift the right leg as high as you can. Good, yep, and down, and the left. How does that feel?
I guess it's a little more tender on the left.
Okay. All right, let's have you stand up. Let's check your posture. You see that pelvis is shifted to the right.
It's so nice out there.
That's the main. About 12 pounds different.
I know.
Lift your right leg for me. Good. And the left.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean, you're nice and set. Oh, yeah. Pelvis dead on. Yeah, just a pound different. Okay, so here Sheila was, right 1 degree. We got a nice correction. She didn't have a huge misalignment to begin with, but lots of times those people can still be in a considerable amount of pain, have a lot of tension in their body. So we got no plane line, so that's really good. No head tilt, no atlas laterality. And this measurement here went from 3 to under 2. So over a 30% reduction there, and a complete reduction in everything else. So she's standing straight, her legs are balanced, the tension's gone in her body, so we're gonna leave it. You can't make everyone picture perfect. Just doesn't happen that way. So we're gonna leave this, we'll see how she holds, and we'll work on some soft tissue and do some other supportive techniques, and we'll see how she uncoils and responds.
Okay, when I first came in, I was experiencing some pain going down my left leg. It felt like a rubber band was stretching and pulling, and that started in February of 2020. And just seeing multiple chiropractors, nothing was helping. I came here, and it wasn't working at first, but they just kept trying, and they weren't giving up even when I was about ready to give up and move on. But yeah, I've been doing good now. Things are staying where they're supposed to, so I'm very happy.
Awesome. Hey everyone, Dr. FJ. So Sheila was an interesting case, and this was real world chiropractic. I know you see a lot of YouTube videos and everyone's completely cured in one visit, and a lot of our videos, people are way better after one adjustment, their pain's gone, or after a week or two, their pain's completely gone. It's not always that way. A lot of people have chronic issues that need to heal. She was one of these cases. So she came in having that leg pain and sciatica and hip pain for about 6 months when she got to us, but she'd had a bulging disc injury 16 years ago. So you know there's years and years of injury. So we got her in alignment and clear, but then we had to do a lot of soft tissue work, and had to make sure she stayed in alignment to give her body time to heal. And then it took about 4 months, and now she's pain-free, and she's sitting and moving and doing all that totally pain-free.